Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the hourly chart, 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. So, gold was super bullish for a long time. Then, gold showed some correction. As it was just a technical correction, it was temporary, and after that gold started going up again. But at this moment we can see that gold is sideways, as we have already discussed in a previous video also, that there is a higher chance that we will see gold to be in a choppy nature or go sideways because of NFP. Yes, today is an important day because of the non-farm payroll, one of the events that can change the direction of the market. So before a major event like NFP, CPI, chances are very less that you will get some good trades because market is mostly waiting, and you will see market like this only. So before NFP or before US session, okay, uh, chances are very slim that okay you will see market going up or market going down. Throughout the day, you will just see market trading in a range. So if you are a position trader, swing trader looking for new positions, then obviously this is not a right time. After NFP, if market takes a direction, then you can go with the flow. But as of now, okay, market is waiting, so you should also wait. And if you're a day trader, then also you need to be a little bit careful because this is a choppy market. You can clearly see on the chart. If you lose patience, if you enter on the middle of the chart, you will end up paying price. As we all know, sideways market is not very respected among the traders. And why traders hate sideways market? Because sideways market, okay, requires patience. In sideways market, if you buy a support, send a resistance, okay, you can survive. But most of us fail to keep patience, enter on the middle of the chart, and we end up losing money. So don't make a mistake if you really want to make money today. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold steady as markets assess rising uncertainties. Gold is steady in the early Asian trade. Prices are largely unchanged given the rising macroeconomic uncertainty. So at this moment, okay, market is still worried about the trade war. Okay, and as we all know, right now the market is being dominated by the uh, tariffs and all. So things are a little bit uncertain right now. To be honest, I personally believe that though okay we have NFP coming up, big event, but still the trade war, yes, the trade war trade will still be dominating. Honestly, I'm not planning to trade today. Usually, okay, I trade, okay, at the time of NFP, okay, just for fun, okay, not with big lots and all. But today, okay, I'm not planning to trade because, okay, I feel that we will not get any particular direction today because still the market is being dominated by the trade war trade. If we look at the economy calendar, we can see the previous data was 143K jobs and the expectation is 160K. Okay. If the number comes above 200K, then you can expect some good direction in the market. For example, if the number comes around 200K, 210K, okay, 200 plus, then you can expect the dollar to go up and gold to fall. But if the number comes around 150K, 160K, or if data meets the expectation of the market, then chances are very less that we will see a direction. We will just see a choppy market again. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, if you see market meeting the expectation, if you see number to be around 150, 160, 170K jobs, okay, please try to avoid the market. There's a high chance that at first you will see a big candle, then you will be trapped. If you see data or the number above 200K, then you can expect dollar to go up and gold to fall. And already the dollar's chart has witnessed okay heavy selling. This is the chart of US dollar. Already dollar chart has witnessed heavy selling. There is a good chance that today dollar will be going up because I have seen, okay, I have observed in all these years that when a market moves sharply before the news, okay, so when the real news comes, okay, the market makers usually book their profit, okay, and market moves in the opposite direction. So if dollar starts going up or if the data is positive for dollar, okay, then I won't be surprised because already the market makers have okay taken a good amount of profit. or made good amount of profit. So be careful at the time of news. If market takes a direction, then only follow the trend of the market and do not go with the levels. Okay, for gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, because when news dominate the market, okay, technicals do not work. If you really want to make money at the time of news, go with the flow. Following the trend of the market is the only trading strategy that works. And if you look at the chart of gold, then already market has tested our support couple of times. So today we will not be looking for buy around 289092 area, because there's a high chance that market will break. Rather, we have a big zone at the bottom around 2886 to 80. This big blue box here, okay, already we have seen or discussed about this level many times. So if market enters 2886 area, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, observe the market. If you see on the 5 minutes chart market taking support, then you can go for buy. But this is the next support zone on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position before NFP. After NFP, no. Again, I'm repeating, after NFP, do not look for reversals, do not go for support and resistances. They won't work, because when news dominate, technicals do not work. That's a bitter reality. And the second support on the chart of gold is around 2869. But chances of market going to 2869 before NFP is very less. Okay. So let's wait and watch in which direction market moves. But yes, there is I personally believe that there is a good chance that dollar may show some upside today, because already dollar has shown considerable downside before the news. Okay. And obviously, okay, if market starts falling after NFP, then dollar will be heading towards, or DX will heading towards 100 or below 100 level. I don't think so. Okay, it will happen that easily. So let's wait and watch. Time will speak. Okay, I don't want to fall into controversies. And if market goes up before news, okay, we can look for a sell around 2920. Okay, 2920, 2923 area. And 2930, okay, I don't think so market will be able to break it. But yes, to continue the upside after news, gold needs to break 2930. Then only we can consider that gold is continuing the upside. But as of now, gold is stuck in a range. Before NFP, it will be inside the range only. So plan your trades accordingly. If we switch to a lower time frame also, we do not have many trading opportunities. Do not lose patience. Okay, if you had a good week, okay, just be patient today. If possible, don't trade, because what I see on the chart right now, okay, the levels are not that good. So again, I'm repeating, okay, if you're confused. So if you're a position trader, swing trader looking for new trades, wait till NFP. After NFP, if market takes a direction, then you can enter. And if you're a day trader, stick to the levels. Though we do not have much trading opportunities, but do not lose patience. It is better to wait than to lose money. Okay. And as dollar has shown considerable downside in the last couple of days, there is a possibility that after news we may see market going up, because market manipulation is a bitter reality. So we are on 50 minutes time frame right now. If market comes to our support of 288680, we can look for a buy. Our previous support, okay, have done a fine job, but already it has been tested many times, so chances are very less that it will work. Our next support zone is around 2869, but it is far away, so I don't think so we need to talk about this. If market goes up, we can look for a sell around 2920, 2923. This is the red box here. So buy at support, sell at resistance is the only trading strategy we should be following before NFP. After NFP, follow the trend of the market. But chances are very less that we will get a trending market. Okay, if market or the data is above 200k, then you can expect a trending market. Or if you see data to expectation is 160k, for example, the number comes around 120, 110k, then you will see dollar falling. But if you see market meeting the expectation or somewhat near to 160k, then you will see just spikes. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, at the time of news, market will give you plenty of opportunities when the market is normal. Think about your family. Bye bye. Take care.